Hey, Sean here from SpeedQuiYi.com. I got the new Tornado AI. QiYi. It says QiYi on the packaging. Sometimes they go by QY depending on legal status. But we have this nice box here. And you might be wondering, well, where's your top-down camera? Well, I'm going to use that. For my phone. So first, let's just go into what is all in here. This is a nice packaging. I was thinking about when companies started doing packaging like this, we were like, oh, that's so excessive. Just give me a small box. We're good. I feel like if any of this ever just came in a really small, cheap box, we'd be kind of upset about it. But really nice display case. I like this. You can really see the cube. It looks like this is a charging box as well. Like this will hold a charge, USB-C port. It even shows you, I don't know what these other things are down here, but we line up those colors there. Well, this is a nice box. I like the way it looks. We have a phone stand. That's what that is for. Cable, screwdriver, card. Let's look at real quick info before we start using the app and I just start testing out the puzzle. Well, that is a CFOP guide. This one says AI on it, so this might have information about it. Yeah, okay. Before first use, charge cube for at least 10 minutes to ensure sufficient battery power. Product has built-in sensors to track cube dynamics. Position of the cube's faces are fixed. Do not swap the positions of the center caps. After waking up, the white face red light stays lit for 4 seconds, or the battery level is below 10%. It indicates a low battery. During charging, always place the cube with the white face up, green face forward orientation. So very specific placement. A lot of chargers in the past have just been yellow face down, but very specific here. So, looking at the cube, looks like the tension elasticity is exactly what we have had in the past with the Tornado. I like that. Cube 55.5 millimeters, approximate weight 75 grams, not too bad. Charging time approximately 1 hour. Battery life, fully charged 25 hours. Standby for 60 days. So the charging box does have a battery in it. This can charge the cube 6 to 9 times. So let's low estimate, let's say 6 times. 6 times 25, that's 150 hours. So 150 to over 200 hours of battery life on one charge, including the case. And the rest is just like the Tornado. So let's check it out. Already, this app looks sleek. XMD, X-Men Design Tornado V4. It has gyroscope on it. This is a really good looking app. We've got games. Let's do games. Patterns. Wait, is that the game? Okay, I don't really know if that constitutes a game. Let's go to, let's do a little practice. Do I have to solve the cube? Can I just do this? Performance-wise, yeah, this feels like Tornado version 3. Or maybe the version 4 that is just not the highest end one.
8 seconds.
Oh, there we go. Not great, but I'm curious what it does for the moves, because my first move was an M move. And I think it was only 3 moves. Let's see here. So they did R prime L on here. This can do slice turns. Didn't actually do it for the cross, but can do that. I just needed to change that from HTM to STM, from half turn metric to slice turn metric. I'll do that later in the video, even though it was more of an M move. Okay. I'm going to do a roux solve. Horribly.
8 seconds.
There we go. Oh, no. Need to go back. Back. So I accidentally moved the cube and it immediately went towards to the next thing. So let's check out that 15.94. And it says CFOP. I'm going to change this to RU. We can do RU. Okay, that 6E4C I think should be split. And there's no M slices. It's all R and L. Okay, let's go to competition. I'd like to add some lubrication to this, but I'm going to wait for just a moment. Just do a bit more with this. But this is a fantastic performing puzzle. The other major brands, like there's the 12UI, there's the WRM. So, I wonder if this is a real person or a bot. Their scramble looks like it could be a person.
8 seconds.
Yeah, it looks like the scramble might be a real person. It's hard to tell though. Either that or the AI is mimicking other solutions. I'm guessing this is a real person. Awesome. Yeah, so as I was saying, as far as performance goes, this performs like a Tornado version 3, I'd say, maybe version 4. I guess, yeah, it performs like the version 4, but it doesn't have the 3 corner magnets that you might have in the, I think it's the Pioneer version. So this would be like the flagship V4. After this match, I will check if there's springs or maglev. But yeah, compared to the other major ones, this performs like a Tornado, which is fantastic. And if you like the Tornado, this is great. I don't know the price of it. This is just sent to me. A little bit too loose. I feel like I want to tighten this. Corners, we can adjust the magnets. Edges, we cannot. So you can make the stronger magnets on the corners that attracts or affects the corner edge magnets, not corner center. Okay, so I'm going to go back. We're going to leave now. There's other competitions. AI tutorial. Let's find out what that means. It's leaving the app, going to a thing called OneThink, which is a scary name. Oh, they'll be released in the future. Interesting. I'm curious what that even might be. Layer by layer and CFOP. What's in the CFOP tutorial also leaves the app. And I can't read that. And we have leaderboards here, trophy list. I can see the spring in there. That is a spring. Certainly. So you can see inside of here. I haven't tried to connect it to QBeast. Just want to use the app for right now. If I switch this to layer by layer, oh, that second layer, first layer, second layer must be like doing corners and then edges. Well, that's nice to have for someone that's doing layer by layer. TPS, I like graphs. This is very nice. Allocation from inspection, adjusting, execution. So adjusting must just be like U moves. I like this graph. These graphs are wonderful. These are really nice looking graphs. And then the AUF at the end. So yeah, I've definitely locked up on that PLL. Fantastic. Half turn metric, STM. What's STM? Because it's not quarter turn. Slice. Oh, slice turn metric. Wait, never mind. It does do slices. Okay, let's go back to the solves. Change that to slice turn. Let's do my roux solve, which is my worst right now. Change this to slice turn. There we go. So we can do it. Okay. And if I go to that first solve that I did, it still did R prime L for my cross.
12 seconds.
That was a bad thing I just did there. Got a little bit lost, but okay. So let's do more. Change this to roux. 37 moves seems about right. Okay. So you can do M slices. It's just you have to change it in the settings. It did not do that automatically. I think everyone should have that as standard. I don't like 6E C4. Do wait, C4, that should just, oh, because they might be AUF kind of situation. I could just say 6E there. Anyways, I think I'm going to stop there. Awesome. Look, it's great. This, for right now, is my go-to. Definitely want to lubricate it a bit. Make that adjustment. Obviously, my inspection is quite a bit at that very end. QiYi, thank you for sending this over. If it's available right now, I'll have a link in the description for you to get it, or it's in the video. I've seen it in the bottom corner. Let me know what you would like to see in this app that you either have seen or haven't seen yet or would like changed. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and so always keep following Speed QiYi for more news and reviews.